Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of live succulent cuttings with the Shop Succulents Assorted collection. If you're looking to add a touch of greenery to your space without the hassle of traditional plants, these air plants might just be the perfect fit. Let's explore what makes them stand out. The Shop Succulents Assorted collection offers a variety pack of 3 hand-selected air plants. Each plant is unique, chosen based on seasonality and readiness, ensuring you receive a diverse and vibrant selection. These plants thrive indoors with indirect sunlight, making them ideal for various living spaces. When it comes to care, these air plants are low-maintenance gems. Simply spritz them with water every 12 days or let them float in water for a rejuvenating soak. They don't require soil. Just place them in a decorative container and enjoy their beauty. Remember, too much sunlight can be harmful, so indirect light is best. What sets these air plants apart is their versatility and aesthetic appeal. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or a beginner, they're perfect for enhancing your home decor or office space. Plus, they make fantastic gifts due to their unique charm and easy care requirements. In conclusion, the Shop Succulents Assorted collection of live air plants is a stellar choice for anyone looking to incorporate beautiful, low-maintenance plants into their lives. Whether you're starting a plant collection or adding to an existing one, these air plants are sure to delight. If you're interested in bringing these fantastic air plants home, I've left a link in the description below where you can find them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on products that make a difference in your everyday life. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.